Are you stuck, Zeke? Are you stuck? Yeah? Do you need help?
No.
Okay.
Mama, me. Mama.
What?
Me.
Do you want me to come help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Stop.
Ready?
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's
Zeke,
under your foot.
Zeke, do you need help getting out? Are you sure? Can you say hi? Up here. Say hi. No, you're supposed to say hi. I'm not taking a picture. He doesn't know. He's too busy trying to grab the one toy Zeke is sitting on.
This?
Yeah. Look.
It's broke. Yeah.
Say bye, Zeke.